Now everybody knows that the CAS or the client advisory service is the in thing, right? But and many times, people ask me that how can I leverage the offshoring team so that I can focus more on the advisory or the CAS services? And it's pretty easy as a solution, right? So if you want to focus on a CAS, the number one priority is, are you settled with your production work? And when I say production work is in terms of your bookkeeping, your reconciliations and giving the financial statements to the clients on time, right? Unless these things are sorted, you can't move to the advisory services, because it's extremely important that you set your offshoring teams, you set your internal teams in a way that they are able to independently handle the production work, right? So you need to set your bookkeeping right, you need to set your accounting right, and then you need to set the review, who's going to do the review, those three things sorted, so that you will be able to focus more on the advisory services. You will be able to really meet the client, understand their problem, and advise them as to how they can grow their businesses. And that would be a real value addition to the client, because clients are really struggling to scale their business, and who best knows their business rather than their own accountant, right? So it's easy, but at the same time you have to take the effort in the right direction to set your offshore team or internal team right in terms of independently managing their production work, so that you focus on advisory services.